Hi, I'm Shane Balkham, Client Investment Director at U Asset Management, and welcome to my 2-minute missive. Busy week for central banks. We had the Bank of England's Monetary Policy Committee meeting yesterday, and it was voted to keep interest rates on hold at 5.25%. This is the third consecutive meeting, and also the second consecutive meeting where the vote was 6-3, so the majority wishing to keep rates on hold. We feel now we are at the peak of the interest rate hiking cycle, and we're now looking for hints when the first interest rate cuts might be. Now, the Bank of England don't want to give you any hints. They want to still keep the mantra, the narrative, still on the fight for inflation, which is still well above the 2% level. But we feel that's coming down significantly, and there will be a moment when they have to change tact and move to interest rate cuts in order to stem the outside possibility of deflation, but also to help support the economy. Now, in the US, the Federal Reserve had their meeting, and again, third consecutive meeting for keeping interest rates on hold. But Jerome Powell, the chair of the Federal Reserve, decided to give hints to interest rate cuts for 2024. And in their infamous dot plots, which is a guess from each member of the committee on where they think interest rates are going to be at the end of 2024, there are 3 rate cuts already factored in. Now, there's no hint when they may start, but obviously there's political pressure on getting these interest rates done before the US election starts campaigning in full. And similar, the UK Bank of England will also want to make sure they're getting their work done before we have our general election at some point next year. So positive signs from the Federal Reserve, coy signs from the Bank of England, but a solid sign that we are now at the peak in the interest rate hiking cycle, which gives us more optimism for a better environment in 2024. These views are my own, and before making any decisions, please seek the advice of your financial advisor. Thank you.